today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Smartsheet into Excel. This quick process is perfect for transferring data, sharing with teammates who prefer Excel, or simply keeping a local backup you can work with offline. Start by opening the sheet or report you want to export. Take a moment to make sure everything is up to date and saved. Smartsheet usually auto-saves, but it's a good habit to confirm any recent edits are committed so what you export matches what you see on screen. Next, head to the top of the screen and click the File tab to open the menu. From there, hover over the Export option. You'll see several formats available. Choose Export to Microsoft Excel. This option tells Smartsheet to package your data into a standard .xlsx file that opens cleanly in Excel. After you click, Smartsheet will process the export. Larger sheets or reports can take a bit longer, so give it a moment. When it's ready, your browser will download the .xlsx file. By default, it typically lands in your Downloads folder. If your browser is set to ask where to save files, pick a location you'll remember. If you don't see a download appear, quickly check your browser's download notifications or pop-up settings. What you get is a familiar Excel workbook that mirrors your Smartsheet columns and rows. It's ideal for editing, building charts, running pivot tables, or sharing with stakeholders who rely on Excel. A couple of tips to keep in mind. Formatting sometimes looks a little different between platforms, and certain Smartsheet-specific features, like attachments, comments, or proofs, don't transfer into the Excel file. Formulas may export as values depending on the structure, so if you rely on formulas heavily, verify how they appear in Excel and adjust as needed. Also, hidden columns or filtered views can affect what you expect to see, so review your sheet's visibility settings before exporting if you want a particular presentation of the data. If you're exporting a report, the Excel file reflects the rows and columns included in that report's current setup. The file name usually matches your sheet or report title, which makes it easy to identify later. And that's all there is to it. You've moved your Smartsheet data into Excel with just a few clicks, keeping your information intact and ready for analysis or sharing. While Smartsheet shines for collaboration and workflow, Excel is fantastic for deep number crunching and offline work. Knowing how to export lets you use the strengths of both. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get even more from your Smartsheet data.